Guys, hello, good evening. Here in Kenya it is evening. Now it's 6:30 o'clock and this is evening, guys. So guys, now on it's time for me to prepare my dinner. So I have already started, and guys, I'm already cooking. I'm preparing my dinner, guys. Our dinner, not my dinner, because it's a family dinner. So guys, as you can see, I'm already preparing, and um, this video, I'm going just to make a short video. And before I continue, guys, please, if you are new here, welcome back. This is Miliana Kenya channel, and please consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave a like when you watch my videos, and then you see that it's interesting. Please guys, leave a like, go to the comment section, and then please say something. And guys, don't forget to ask questions. Don't forget to tell me or to remind me of something. Guys, please go to the notification bell. Just ring the bell and I'll appreciate. And when you watch my videos, guys, please, can you please, guys, share my videos? Okay? Guys, share my videos. Remember to watch them until the end, guys. And remember, I'll appreciate. And I'll never take it for granted, right? So, guys, it's time to cook ugali, and today's video is about cooking ugali. You know, guys, here in Kenya we have our favorite food, and I don't mean that it's everyone's favorite, but you know, I'm a Luya tribe. I'm a tribe from Luya, and so guys, here in Kenya, if you are a Kenyan, you know how Luyas loves ugali. Guys, so I'm going to cook ugali here. I'm going to show you how to cook ugali, guys, and I hope you are going to see how I'm going to cook. Please watch my videos. Watch this video. Don't forget to watch this video, guys. It can entertain you somewhere. Guys, so my water here, I think it's ready. My water is ready. So guys, before I continue, let me show you my dinner, my stew, my greens, and then I'm going to show you how to cook ugali here. Guys, I'm going to show you how to cook the ugali. So guys, I think my water is ready. Just look at my water. The water is ready, guys. It's ready, and I have to cook. And then guys, you can see this is the pot. When I cook, guys, I have to put the food inside the pot so that my food cannot become cold. You know, maybe everyone has his or her time to eat in this house. Kids must eat at 6:45 or maybe 7, and other people, everyone has his or her time to eat. So guys, this is pots. This is ugali pot. You can see this one is too big. This is ugali pot, guys. This is where to replace ugali. I'm going to place here ugali. This is for ugali, and I have already prepared my greens. Guys, you can see this is greens. Can you see, guys? Those are my greens, and I hope I prepared very well, and I hope when people just taste it, it must taste good. Guys, I know in the side of cooking, I can be a good chef. I can be a good chef, guys. That's not a lie. And this is my greens here. And guys, remember, when you cook greens, you don't have to cook it so, it must not be cooked so deeply. So guys, this is my meat. This is my beef. You can see this is beef. This is cow's beef, guys. I have already prepared it. It's ready, guys. It's just waiting for the people to eat. How does it look, guys? How do you think? Does it look tasty or does it look yuck? You know, you can taste something, then you can get that something it's tasting yuck, that you cooked it very badly, and you get that someone cooked something that tastes so yummy. So, guys, I think my beef of today must taste so yummy, guys, for everyone to eat. Yeah, I don't want to cook food that people will reject. So I think this one is so good. Yeah, guys. Uh, I just want to show you guys how to prepare ugali, and I hope you are going to be thankful for that. Guys, I think you are going to appreciate me, guys. Let me show you the water again. Yeah, my water is ready. You can see my water is ready, guys. Yeah, the water is ready. Let me. I don't have someone to hold the phone. I don't have anyone here, guys. Uh, I don't have someone who can hold the camera for me. I'm using the phone, as you know, and I have to look for somewhere very good to place my phone, and then I continue with what I'm doing for you guys. I'm doing this vlog. Guys, I'm doing this vlog for you, and guys, I think I'm going to do this for you guys. And please, let me remind you again, please consider subscribing. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. When you are viewing your videos, please don't pass my videos. If you don't know me, please just go to the YouTube channel and please search for Miliana Kenya. View my videos. You will see there very many videos of mine, and please watch them. Yeah, don't forget to like, guys. You know, liking is, yeah, don't please watch and then subscribe and then you forgot to like. Please, when you subscribe, remember to like. And if it's not interesting, please, then it's okay. And guys, please try and share my videos. And one thing you can do for me, please remember to watch my videos until the end. Yeah, guys, remember to watch them until the end, and I will appreciate so much, guys. So much. I'll appreciate so much. I will never take it for granted, even a day. I'll never take that for granted. I'll continue. I'll continue doing what? Okay, saying thank you. Yeah. So guys, let's go. Let me not talk too much. Let me continue with my cooking. Yeah, let me continue with the cooking of ugali. Please, if you want to taste my ugali, welcome. Yeah, guys. And guys, I forgot. Let me show you my outfit of the. Yeah, guys, this is my outfit of the day. Today I'm wearing a dress. You always see me with the trouser, but today, guys, you are seeing me with the dress. Yeah. So this is my dress, and I'm at home. So that is my dress. Let me continue. Karina, hi. Karina, bye. Hi. Karina, I just say hi. Come say hi. already cooked. Will you eat ugali? Will you eat my ugali? Yeah, because that's what I'm going to eat. Karina, come inside. It's late. Come inside. Yeah. I'm inside. Where is Tiffany? Outside, not playing, but she's outside with the dog. Tiffany! 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 Come. Come. Come, Tiffany. Come, please. Come, please. Tiffany. Can you let me hold me this the phone? I want to talk. What is the name? How? This is a Songa hapa. Tiffany, you don't want even to hold the phone for me. Just holding the phone. Okay guys, this is how I'm going to show you how to cook ugali. This is how they cook ugali. Yeah guys, and the one that is helping me to hold the phone looks like she don't want even to help me guys. I can't hold. Hold the phone. Okay guys, let me just do it by myself. I told someone to help me hold the camera, but she don't want, she refused guys. So I don't know how I can do, but just concentrate and see me how I'm going to cook. Yeah. And guys, when you are making ugali, you have to make sure that you stir the flour very well to mix it very well. Yeah, just try and mix it well, the flour and the water. Try and stir it so well. Just stir it and repeat it, and guys, just mix it and it will be a good ugali for people to eat. Yeah. Let me do it and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Because I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me, the one I told, she just refused. Guys, I think the flour is enough inside here. So what I have to do, I have to stir it to mix it very well. Yeah, I have to mix it very well. But the flour is enough. Yeah. Guys, I hope you are going to like my video. Yeah, guys, please like my video. Don't forget to share, and please don't forget to watch my video until the end. And guys, after watching my video, if you see that my video is interesting, please consider subscribing. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, go to the notification bell. Please ring the bell, and I will appreciate, right? I have to appreciate, guys. Yeah, I have to appreciate. So guys, let me show you.